Alright guys, this is what I'm trying to explain earlier. Okay, if you don't have a Gmail, just go to your browser, just put in Gmail, new account, or just new Gmail. Let's click on Gmail new account. Okay, click on create a Gmail account. Okay, yeah, because I already have one. This is my account. I already have one. So what you do now is, if you already have one, there's no need of registering for another one. So let me just click on create new account and see what will happen. Okay, checking my info. Let's see what will happen. Oh, alright, asking me to sign in, but I am not signed in. I want to create new account here. Click on new create account. It's asking whether for myself or for business. For myself, as you can see now, you see. So let me just put something like A here and B here and C. You can see asking me to enter my name correctly. Okay, anyway, when you want to register, just follow the procedures and fill in the necessary information. Now when you are done, you will receive a successful registration mail to your Gmail account. Yes, Gmail, your Gmail account. A mail will be sent to you directly to your Gmail account. This is my Gmail account. A mail will be sent to you, registration. Now when you are done with that, go to your YouTube, this one right here, this one right here, this one right here. Then you click on it, alright. Okay, you come here to this picture logo, but if when you register there won't be any picture here because you haven't put any. So just click on this icon picture, you click on it. You can see mine is King's Entertainment because I'm into entertainment, but if it is yours, just come here straight. Okay, loading. Alright, because I already have the account. See, asking me to edit my channel, understand, but there's no need for that. But as for you, okay, you see King's Entertainment, blah 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 blah, understand, fill the necessary information and you go back. So that is it for now. And secondly, I said you can download with this app. Let me show you some of my downloads. So those are the few things that I downloaded. And if there's anything you want to add, just come here, click on it. You know, just how to make see how to make pancakes, whatever. Just click on it. When you click on it, just choose this are pancakes, right? Just come here, click on any one you like that you would like to download. You see, then you see this download here, just click on it and the video will be downloaded automatically. So you can always watch the video anytime, any day, even without you having data. So that is it for now. My next video I'll be showing you how to create your own video, upload and give it necessary description and title. Alright, see you.